Easy crypto income. Crypto scams.
Hi all and welcome back to the channel. I'm Spy and today I wanted to do something different. I actually wanted to document my experience with Hype, a high yield investment platform. High yield investment platforms are basically quote unquote investment platforms that try to offer you unsustainable and extreme interests in your deposits or investments, and as they are called. Here you can see this particular one. It offers in 24 hours 200% rate, in 48 hours 450% interest, and in 96 hours in 4 days 1000% interest. That also includes your initial capital, your initial investment. Obviously these are completely unsustainable, completely risky, and they usually last for a few days, a few weeks, or a couple of months because it's not possible. Basically, high yield investment platforms are glorified Ponzi schemes. Everybody knows this. In case you don't know, now you do. It's one of the more popular crypto scams that has been around for a few years now. And I will be taking a deeper look and a more detailed look at crypto scams. One of my future videos will focus in high yield investment platforms and what you can do to actually understand and discover that the platform is basically a Ponzi scheme, or it's basically a scam, so as not to invest any money and not to risk any of your money investing in such platforms. Either way, I wanted to document this experience with you, just to see how they operate and what you can or cannot expect. For sure this video is high risk. For sure this is just an example. I'm not a professional, and this is definitely not financial advice, because I know from the start that I'm about to lose my money, and if I don't lose my money I might be able to get maybe one payment, but then it's not gonna last. Such rates, they just don't last. It's not possible, as you very well can understand that it's unsustainable. It's a completely unsustainable model, and basically just like Ponzi schemes, they depend on new money entering the platform and new investors coming and making new deposits so as to repay the older investors. Now in this case, for this particular company, this is the first day. Today is December 24th, 2020, and this is the first day of the platform being online. So that means that we are one of the first few people entering this platform. We'll be depositing a very, very low amount. Actually, it's going to be $10. Usually, what I've seen from these high yield investment platforms, the minimum, or let's say the bare minimum amount, it's usually $20, $25 to $50, and then you can go up to tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands depending on the platform. In this case, which was a shock to me, the very minimum to start investing is actually 10 cents, which is a joke if you think about it, because if you want to send 10 cents in Bitcoin, you need to pay at least $1 or $2 in transaction fees, so it just doesn't make any sense. But either way, these platforms, they don't only accept Bitcoin, they accept other types of payment methods as well, and we will take a closer look in a while. Now, before we start, usually these platforms, they try to focus on a particular theme. For example, they do a particular type of investment. They might invest in oil, they might invest in gold, they might invest in solar energy or I don't know, aquatic energy, or in this particular case of this company, they do forest management services. They provide forest management services. Obviously, this is all fake. This is completely a joke. You know, this is all lies. Whatever they write here, these are all lies. Everything that you will see. Let's check a little bit. Website. I'm not going to reveal the name of the company for sure. Because I will not be taken responsible for in case you want to invest in such platforms. And as I said again, this is scam. These are scam platforms. They are glorified Ponzi schemes, and do not ever invest any of your money unless you want it to be lost, because in the end you will lose your money. Maybe it's going to be from the first 2 or 3 days, even the first day. Maybe it's going to be from the first week, or maybe even it might last for like a month or 2 months. But anyway, in the end you will lose your money. There is a whole market with regards to high yield investment platforms. There are a lot of people that they're basically playing their money and they're risking their money, and please do not do this. This is this is basically for gamblers. It's like casino basically. These platforms and these investment platforms are basically for gamblers and for really high risk takers. In general, I would never suggest for you to invest in such platforms. Never. Anyway, let's take a closer look. So here you see forest management services. Commercial forestry is a sustainable real asset that both diversifies an investment portfolio and underlying land value growth opportunity. The usual with these investment platforms is you have your registration. They usually have a Telegram group. They might have their own YouTube channel with a couple of videos that are usually fake. Google Groups, I've never seen this before, and the usual login for the members. So I have already registered. I have already made a deposit, which I will show you in a while, but let's go a little bit down. The usual packages is for 24 hours. They give back 200% interest, for 48 hours to 450% interest, and for 96 hours they give back 1000% interest. That these also include your initial capital. So if somebody puts, for example, $10, they will get in 24 hours they will actually get $20 back. That's the $10 plus another $10 $10 that is included. So a lot of times they also have this quote-unquote proof of payments. This is called the last transactions. Obviously these are all fake, or even if they're not fake, we will never be able to prove that these are actually real, to be quite honest, because as you can see, you can't press anything. You don't know anything. This could be just random numbers, random dates, random hours, and random means of payment. This is Perfect Money here. This is Dogecoin, and Bitcoin as far as I see. This is a video presentation. Of course, it's fake. It's stupid. It's nothing. The usual details, let's say, or statistics, running days. Whenever you see on a website or on a platform that it has this running days, whatever these running days is, you know for sure that this is a high yield investment platform. It's a Ponzi scheme, it's a scam, and just, do not even interact with it. It's just a waste of time. Total transactions, this could be completely fake. Total investors, this is probably completely fake. And the visitor online, currently it's 170. This could also be fake. These platforms, they rely a lot on ads to attract new investors. As we go down, why invest in this particular Company, our forestry investments consist of the ownership of commercial timber grown and harvested in a sustainable manner by our forest management engineers. Blah 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 has proven an attractive asset for long-term investors looking for portfolio diversification, as we provide the opportunity to benefit from both sources, the value of the growing commodity and last but not least the ownership of the underlying land. You probably heard the popular adage, money doesn't grow on trees, and you will probably disagree after your first payment. Investing in timber can be a great operation for investors looking for high returns and for complementary asset to stocks or hedge funds. As you can see, they try to present their website and their platform as legit as possible, as legal as possible, but obviously all these are lies. This is everything fake, and it's just a joke actually. How can I invest in blah 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 in this company? There are some more information, and they also provide a very generous referral programs because, as I told you before, they depend on new investors. So they actually depend on team leaders and people who will bring with them new investors and will inject the platform with new money so they can start repaying the older investors. Anyway, let's go to my dashboard. As you can see, this is okay, my username, nobody cares. I registered today, December 24th, and my active deposit is $10. $10, and of course, the very first thing that you see is my referral link, because I have to bring more people. Well, not me, but other team leaders. They might want to bring more people, even though they know that this is a scam. So basically, if we go to your deposits here, you can see they offer the 3 plans that we saw on the front page. This is for 200% in 24 hours, 2 times basically your investment, 450% in 48 hours, 4.5 times your investment, and then in 96 hours, 1000%, 10 times your investment. I have invested $10. I invested via Bitcoin, and my investment, or as it's called, my investment will mature in 1 day in 23 hours. In 2 days, basically, my investment will mature, and I will be able to, theoretically, we don't know, we'll see, be able to withdraw $20. But what I also wanted to show you is the minimum deposit amount. So as you can see here, it starts from 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, which is weird. And it goes up to 5,000, 10,000, and 500,000. If this is not a typo, it could be up to 500,000, it could be 50,000. You never know with these platforms, to be quite honest. And anyway, well, this is it at the moment. Let's see, earnings history. Is there anything I've earned so far? No, I haven't earned anything so far. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. So, I will wait for 2 days, and after 2 days, I'll get back to you here and continue my video and see what happens with this particular platform. There is a chance I might actually get my money back, but there's also a big chance that I won't be able to get it, but we'll see. Anyway, until next time, take care and be safe. And we're back. Okay, so it's been 2 days. My investment has matured, as you can see. I have earned a total of $45.09, and okay, so far so good. Let's see if I can actually withdraw the $45. So I go to withdraw. I've already put my Bitcoin account here, my Bitcoin address. So account balance 45. I click to withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet, withdraw, I put 45, no comment, and request. What happens? payment system Bitcoin, account blah blah blah, debit amount 45, we have no fee for this operation, BTC amount is this, and I hit confirm. Let's see what happens. Withdrawal request has been successfully saved. Okay, let's see. So I'm guessing we have to wait. I'm guessing for a few hours, if not for a day or so, and we'll see if I actually receive this $45 to my Bitcoin wallet. And always remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional, and I know that basically this is a scam, and there's a 99% chance that I'm not going to be getting the $45. But let's see, why not? This was mainly, this video is mainly for educational purposes and for you to understand how scam platforms and how high yield investment platforms work. These are just glorified Ponzi schemes. And my advice is to never invest in them, because you're just gonna lose your money. Anyway, I might see you in a while and let you know what happened. See you then. Okay, so it's been almost a day since I tried to withdraw the $45 that I earned from the second program, the 450% interest rate. And let's see what's been happening. So this is my account dashboard. Let's go to withdraw. And of course the usual is pending withdrawals, $45. So basically that pretty much answers your question. Yeah, sure. You can try to invest in these platforms, but at the end of the day, they will scam you, because I will never get this withdrawal. It will always be in a pending or in a progress status forever, basically. As I said, this was an experiment. I just wanted to document this for you, to give you an example of what is happening with 99%, if not all, of this hype, the high yield investment platforms. They're just out there to scam you. They're just glorified Ponzi schemes. You will lose your money. So please do not invest any of your hard-earned money. Please do not invest money in these types of scammy investment platforms. I hope this was a good example. I hope it answered a lot of your questions. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll have more videos coming up regarding crypto scams. We will be looking in other investment platforms as well. Some of them pretty legit, others scams, because I want to give more and more examples of crypto scams that there are out there. And until next time, take care and be safe.